Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2020 Mazda BT50, stock number 6680. This ran from the 10th 2011 to the 6th 2020. There's a B50 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine, backed by 6-speed manual transmission. This is a B50 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front door mirror. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch back yellow Mazda tyre. Right rear 16-inch back yellow Mazda tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front 16-inch back yellow Mazda black tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Manual gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Alpine touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,